Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about Moomoo Australia. Moomoo Australia is an online trading platform that lets people buy and sell stocks easily from their phone or computer. It's designed to be simple for beginners but also has tools that more experienced traders will find useful. The app is free to download and gives users access to both Australian and US markets. Moomoo also offers educational content and paper trading, making it a good choice for learning and growing as an investor. Moomoo Australia offers a low-cost trading platform ideal for both new and experienced investors. For Australian shares, it charges a flat fee of $3 Australia per trade or 0.03% of the transaction value, whichever is greater, with just sponsored trading available. For US stocks and ETFs, the platform offers a flat fee of $0.99 per trade, with no additional commission fees. Moomoo provides access to real-time market data and advanced trading tools, including AI-powered analysis and a comprehensive charting toolbox. With no monthly fees and competitive brokerage rates, Moomoo is a strong choice for cost-conscious traders seeking a feature-rich platform. You can start trading across the globe from $0.99 per order. Other pass-through fees and FX conversion spreads apply. Next, set up automatic investments in one click. Our own US company from as little as $5. You can talk to a real human in under 30 seconds, 24 hours a day, and 7 days a week. Trading with Moomoo is a smart choice because it's easy to use, offers low fees, and gives you access to both Australian and US stock markets. You get real-time market data, smart tools like charts and news updates, and even a way to practice trading without using real money. It's great for beginners learning the ropes and also helpful for experienced investors looking for a powerful feature without high cost. With Moomoo Australia, you can trade with peace of mind knowing strong security measures and regulatory compliance backs your investment. The platform is licensed in Australia and keep your data and funds safe. It also offers transparent pricing, real-time alerts, and help support so you can make informed decisions confidently. Moomoo Australia comes with a bunch of user-friendly features that make trading simple and smart. You get real-time stock prices, news, and updates, so you're always in the loop. The app has powerful charts and tools to help you understand the market better, even if you're just starting out. You can practice with fake money using the paper trading feature, and it's easy to buy or sell stocks with just a few taps. Plus, Moomoo also shares learning materials to help you grow your investing skills along the way. The Invest feature on Moomoo Australia's website makes it easy to start trading and investing in stocks. With this feature, you can buy and sell shares of Australian and US companies directly from the platform. It provides real-time market data so you can make informed decisions and gives you access to detailed stocks charts and financial news. Moomoo's tools help you track your investments and manage your portfolio in a simple, user-friendly way. You can also set up alerts to keep track of important price movements, helping you stay on top of your trades. The Experience Moomoo feature on the Moomoo Australia website lets you dive into the platform and explore all its tools and features before you start trading for real. It's a great way to familiar with the app's layout, real-time stock data, charts, and trading options without any pressure. You can practice using the platform with a simulated account, which helps you learn how to place trades and track investments. It also allows you to use the app's advanced tools, all while getting comfortable with how everything works. It's a perfect way to build confidence before you begin trading with real money. Moomoo Australia offers competitive pricing for trading across various markets. For Australian shares and ETFs, the fee is $3 per trade or 0.03% of the transaction value, which is a greater. US trades are priced at a flat fee of $0.99 per trade with free level 2 market data included. Hong Kong trades have a minimal fee, $3 per trade plus $15 platform fee per trade. Additionally, Moomoo provides free access to real-time US market data and advanced charting tools, enhancing the trading experience for users. While trading ASX-listed shares, several platforms offers competitive brokerage fees. Stack charges a flat fee of $3 per trade for trades up to $30,000, with trades about this amount incurring a fee of 0.01%. Superhero offers $2 brokerage. Superhero offers $2 brokerage for trades up to $20,000 for trades exceeding this amount. The brokerage fee is 0.01% of the trade value. Moomoo charges $3 per trade with a minimum fee of 0.03% regardless of the trade size. Comsec offers a tiered brokerage structure starting at $10 for trades up to $5,000 with fees decreasing as the trade sizes increase. Self-Wealth charges a flat fee of $9.50 per trade regardless of the trade size. Amscot provides two online trading plans value rate at $11 or 0.088%, which is greater, and trade rate at $33 or 0.066%. It's important to compare these fees in relation to your typical trade sizes and trading frequency to determine the most cost-effective platform for your needs. Moomoo Australia offers a lot of great benefits for traders. It has low and transparent fees, making it affordable for both beginners and experienced investors. The platform provides real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and detailed stocks analysis to help you make informed decisions. With the ability to trade Australia and US stocks, as well as access to educational resources, Moomoo makes it easier to learn and grow as a trader. Plus, its user-friendly interface and mobile app allows you to trade anywhere, anytime, making it a convenient option for people on the go. Moomoo Australia comes with a range of helpful features designed to make trading easier and smarter. It offers real-time market data, so you're always up to date on stock prices and trends. The platform includes advanced charting tools, allowing you to analyze stocks deeply before making decisions. You can trade both Australian and US stocks, giving you access to global market. Moomoo also offers paper trading, where you can practice without real money, and a learning section to help you improve your trading skills. The app is easy to use and accessible on both desktop and mobile, making trader on the go simple and convenient. The Insight feature on the Moomoo Australia website helps you understand what's really going on in the stock market. It gives you a deeper look into things like which stocks are trending, what big investors are doing, and how certain sectors are performing. You can spot patterns, track market sentiment, and make smarter choices based on real-time data. It's like having an extra layer of information that helps you feel more confident about your investment decisions. Moomoo Australia offers a variety of promotions designed to benefit new users and enhance their trading experience. For instance, new clients can receive up to 12 free US stocks by depositing funds into their accounts. It starts with 3 free stocks for deposit of $500 Australian dollar and increases with larger deposits. Additionally, Moomoo provides 30 days of $0 brokerage on eligible AU and US rates, allowing users to trade without commission fees during this period. The platform also features a Cash Plus program, offering introductory interest rate of 6.8% per annum or uninvested cash balances. These promotions are designed to make investing more accessible and rewarding for users. Moomoo Australia has a built-in forum where users can chat, share ideas, and learn from each other about investing and trading. It feels like a social media space just for trades, where people post their thoughts on market trends, ask questions, and even share tips or stock picks. It's a great place for beginners to learn from more experienced users, and for everyone to stay connected with what's happening in the market. Whether you're just curious or want to join the conversation, the forum makes the app feel more interactive and community-focused. If you want to sign up for your account, you can enter your email address or continue with Google. Moomoo Australia is all about making investing easier and more accessible for everyone. They're part of a global financial tech company and aim to bring smart, simple, and powerful trading tools to everyday Australians. Whether you're just getting started or already experienced, Moomoo offers a modern platform with real-time data, learning resources, and helpful support. Their goal is to help you feel confident while investing and give you everything you need in one easy-to-use app. While Moomoo Australia has many helpful features, there are a few downsides to consider. The platform can feel a bit overwhelming at first, especially for beginners because it offers so many tools and charts. Some users also say the learning curve is a little steep if you're new to trading. Customer support can sometimes be slow to respond. While the app is free to use, certain advanced features or trading in specific markets might come with extra cost. Moomoo Australia offers a bunch of key features that make investing easier and more enjoyable. You get real-time stock prices, in-depth charts, and market news all in one app, so you're always up to date. It also has a paper trading option which lets you practice without using real money, great for learning. The app includes tools to analyze stocks, track your portfolio, and get alerts with prices changes. Plus, the built-in forum connects you with other traders to share tips and ideas, creating helpful and social trading experience. It offers real-time market data, detailed chart, and handy tools to make smart trading decisions. While features like paper trading, news updates, and a built-in forum is great for learning and staying connected with other traders. While it can feel a bit complex at first, it's packed with value and offers a supportive space for growing your investing skills. Moomoo Australia is a great choice if you want a simple yet powerful way to start investing. It gives you real-time info, smart tools, and an easy-to-use app that helps you stay on top of the market. Moomoo supports with educational resources, a friendly community, and the ability to practice risk-free with paper trading. It's a solid platform for anyone who wants to grow their money and confidence in investing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.